Hi, I'm Mike Werzer. I'm the president and CEO of FBS. So we make the FlexMLS and Spark platform. I think for anybody trying to figure out whether to adopt the new RESO Web API and the data dictionary, the key question is, what's your next implementation going to look like? Because you're always going to be either expanding to a new MLS or expanding to some new product. And at that moment, the cost benefits of using a standard feed that is going to look the same from MLS to MLS becomes very, very clear. Do it once. It might be work for that one time, but then the next one is going to be much, much less. I think for MLS organizations, considering how to best implement the Web API and the data dictionary, something that's really important that we've paid a lot of attention to is to ensure that the data that comes out is as rich as it is from your RET server. So it should have all the fields available to it. Whether all of those fields today can be standardized or not, you should be able to deliver both. And the Spark API, with our implementation of the Web API from RESO, it does do that, and I think that alleviates any of the concerns. I know there are some implementations where it's just standard fields, and so you can't get all the data. But that's an important distinction, and you really need to be able to supply it all because the recipients are expecting that. So it's great to have standard fields, but you also need those localized fields as well. With the way we've implemented the Web API, the MLS is in complete control of delivering all the data in exactly the way that they want, both the dictionary fields and all of their localized fields as well. Yeah, a really interesting question that MLSs I think are facing today is whether to make their internal systems where the listings are entered and how the agents deal with the same names as the dictionary. And I think that if you can do that, it's great. It does require change though, and so it's not something that we've pushed hard for with our customer base yet, because just getting to the Web API is frankly enough work. And so what we do is we map the data for them, so when it comes out of the Web API, it's in dictionary format and it doesn't require them to shift it. But I think it is ideal, honestly, if what the agent sees is the same thing that goes out to Realtor.com or a Homes.com or other public-facing website like that, or their own IDX site, that if all of the fields are always in the same language, I think that's better. But again, this is a process and it's going to change over time, and I don't think that we need to rush through that part of it necessarily, but it's a great long-term goal.